One of the best ways to avoid a collision is to use turn signals to let other drivers know your intentions. If you plan to make a turn, change lanes, merge with traffic, pull to the side of the road, or park. Even if you don't see other vehicles or pedestrians in the area, you must use your turn signals. A vehicle you do not see may suddenly appear and hit you if the driver does not know your intentions. Remember to always cancel your signal after turning. So, when should you use your turn signal? When you turn left or right, use the lane closest to the direction in which you're turning. Use your turn signal about 100 feet before you reach the turning point. That's the equivalent to about 8 car lengths. If you plan to turn just beyond an intersection into a driveway or parking lot, for example, wait to signal until you are in the intersection. If you signal too early, the other driver may think you plan to turn into the intersection and may pull out in front of you. When driving on a freeway, you should use your turn signal when entering and exiting and at least 5 seconds before you change lanes or pass another vehicle. Always check your mirrors and your blind spot by looking over the appropriate shoulder to make sure the lane is clear before moving into it. If your signal lights are not working or bright sunlight makes them difficult to see, you should use hand and arm signals. When turning left, extend your arm straight outwards. When turning right, bend your arm at the elbow with your hand pointing upward. To indicate you're going to stop, bend your arm at the elbow with your hand and forearm toward the ground. Your palm should be open and facing the vehicles behind you. Using these important signals should be a habit in every situation. When you use your turn signals or hand gestures, you reduce your chances of being involved in traffic collisions. It's not only the safe thing to do, it's the law. Not using turn signals is a moving violation that could result in a traffic fine and a point on your driving record. To learn more, review the California Driver Handbook.